Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Muhammad Zulfadhli Jamaluddin, and this is my product or prototype, which is called Smart System for Safety of Cyclists. The category of the invention is education, community development, and social innovation. As for it is consists of introduction, problem statement, research background, research objectives, research scope, methodology, result, comments from experts, and also conclusion. As for introduction, this is for the prototype of smart system for safety of cyclists. It is an IoT base, which is we're gonna use internet connection and connect to the Blink application by using a smartphone. And it's also cyclists will be healthy and also lower or free risk of the disease. And last but not least, there will be unity among the cyclists and also their own surroundings. For the problem statement, which is there are accident cases involving cyclists is increased. Yeah, it is increased lately after the due to the COVID-19 or after or before. The second one is problems of current transportation system. As we know that there will be uh, car or any transportation system from behind that will make the cyclists involved in the accident. And it is also lack of awareness of the surrounding led to an accident. This is mostly towards the cyclists among themselves. Okay, next is the research background. It is a prototype of smart bicycle safety system that capable of helping short track cyclists or receiving early warning after it detects any entity from behind. GPS model is also installed as SOS or emergency message can be sent directly to specified smartphone. So there's also dynamo that will supplying unlimited power when the tire is spinning. Overall, it is an IoT-based prototype consists of electrical and electronic components connected via Blink to see the output. So this is the example. So this is the prototype of smart safety system. For research objectives, the first one is design, and the second is develop, and the third one is to test the functionalities of smart bicycle safety system. For the research scope, there is a microcontroller, not MCO ESP8266, that will be as the microcontroller that we use the not MCO will be controlling all the components. So the next one is their rechargeable, which is dynamo that will charging the power bank, and power bank will act as a switcher to turn on or turn off the prototype. Next one is ultrasonic sensor that we will use to detect the distance from behind. So the next one is GPS or global positioning system that will be connected to the Blink. Overall, everything will be connected. We will see the output by using the Blink application. So last but not least, we have emergency message, which is there is button, there is installed button that we attach to the cyclist bicycle. So when anything happen, cyclist can direct click the push button of the emergency message. As for the methodology, I started from the planning, which is I did research and observation. The next one is analysis. There is like easy to use, cheaper, and etc. Next one is design. So the design it will must be compact, rear at the rear of the bicycle. Next one is prototype development, which is the development of circuit, hardware, and flowchart. Next one is test. It is the most important thing. Okay, after we did everything, so we have to test it the functionalities. Okay, so as the result that we I already achieved everything. The first one is design a smart system for safety of cyclists, which is like this. I'm using the SketchUp. After that, the prototype. Okay, this is the prototype that I've already made, which I take to the attached to the rear of the bicycle. The second one is develop a smart safe system for safety of cyclists. So this is the flow chart of the operation, which is start from the bicycle tire from the dynamo with charging towards the which is the we have the push converter, which is up increase the power or the voltage, and go to the car charger adapter. And this is you can see here USB will there is a USB plug out also, and the power bank that will turn on the non-MCU for the detection or of distance and detection of GPS model. Okay, so this is the by using the schematic circuit by using the Proteus. Okay, and this is the prototype fully that I already made. The last one is to test the functionalities of the smart system. As you can see here, we can see the green one. So the green one is uh, the USB that will to the power bank that will supply, yeah, it will supply to the not MCU1 and then not MCU2, and this one the boost converter that will up increase the power source from the bicycle. Okay, so everything that the function is already achieved. So this is the first one is the distance from the prototype will detect any entity from behind that will 2 meters and below, 2 meters and below, and the distance will be shown at the blink. So the next one is the GPS model. GPS model we can see over here. We can see there is speed, this distance as satellite. Sorry, satellite. There is also a distance and the latitude and longitude. Yeah, yeah. Okay. So this is the green area is the phone, this phone coverage area, and the black dot is the satellite, the satellite. Okay, so this is the example of the GPS mode, sorry, emergency message. After the cyclist push the button, the message will appear at the anyone that we already attached to. We give the account of the blink, so and they connect with the internet too. It is a must that we need internet to make this happen. Okay, and last but not least, and this is the you can see over here, this is the location of the satellite of the prototype, and this is the user. For example, this is my brother from Tower Sabah. I give him an account of blink, so he log in and connected to the Wi-Fi, make sure it is online. So after that, when I press the button from the at Johor, the emergency button, and the message, SOS message will appear at his phone. So this is the example. Okay, so the next one is the function. So this is the power bank that will act as the switcher to turn on or turn off the prototype. And this is the charging the dynamo. When the dynamo is turn, turned by the tire of the bicycle, and it will be charging. Okay, so these are the comments from the expert. First one is technologist Dr. Muhammad Azham bin Azmi. Second is Muhammad Shah Hafiz bin Masrul, and the third one is Zulfadhli bin Jadi. Overall, all of the objectives of this research has been achieved. So overall, all three of the experts said that uh, it is a good innovation, which is consists of a GPS model, a simple electronic electronic component like ultrasonic sensor that can detect such entity from behind, and we attach to the blink application. It is a good innovation, but it is need to be fixed and compact, and yeah, it is easy to use. Okay, so the as a conclusion, all the objective of this research has been achieved. The prototype of smart system for safety of cyclists is an easy to use prototype that will be hoped to reduce the risk of accidents involving bicycle users and also increase their safety awareness during cycling. So that's all from me. So let's start cycling. And this is my example of the video. You can see the video. I will share it at the Google Doc. And this is the example of bicycle. And this is me and the prototype of bicycle. This is the Santai bicycle. Yeah. So that's all. Thank you.